And I just washed my car. Damn. What the f? Tell me why every time I wash my car, it starts to rain, or it rains right after I wash my car. It makes no sense at all. Like, what the heck? Hey, but on the bright side, I'm finna head over to the store right quick to get some tint, and then I'm finna head over to my friend's house to put it on. And I really hope it comes out good, because I really don't want to take it to someone to get it done, because I don't feel like paying for that, honestly. Yeah, so it didn't go as planned. As you can see, no tint. Tint, 20% tint. We did this one, and this one right here. But this one, if you can see, it's like little bubbles. So we gotta redo that. But I think I'm just gonna take it to the tinters. Oh my god, yes, that looks so much better. It's a little too dark. I might get pulled over, but hey, it's okay. Dang, you can barely even see through that. What the heck? That's crazy. It looks good, so it's okay. Oh. Let me guys know what you guys think. Did I go too dark, or is it just right? Is it just right? Too dark. Currently the next day. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends. And comment down below what you guys want to see on the next video. But on this channel, it's going to be mostly about cars, friends, adventures, and just my life. But I hope you guys stay tuned, and thank you for watching.